請你哋打劫。
啊，好痛啊！冇啦！
我落車先啊！
你隻乸又發癲啦！佢即刻走！
個個都有病，
我都就嚟癲啦！
如果唔係阿輝，我哋班人早就瞓街啦。
咁執，我哋一齊去打劫。
嚟啊！等你好消息。
拖車一架，校巴一，校巴係你炒嘅喎。我去打劫，你打劫我，識唔識英文？Go！
我要報警啊！佢就嚟死咗啦！前列腺有事，
我驚我唔到啊！
敵都要噏。
何志斌，
揮你個頭！
龍蝦灣，
你又話龍鼓灘，
我肯定話龍蝦灣。
阿哥，你就唔打得嘅喎。Four people die together。
有冇事啊？有啲肚痛。你劫我，我劫你，啱晒數。嗰個，
警察，警察。
衰唔衰啊？
It's a big cast. At one point, did you get involved in the movie?
幾時你開始參與呢個？
其實咧，佢個咪仲喺度
I'm gonna fix it. Turn off the mic.
其實呢個係2021年啦，即係嗰時啱啱導演就攞咗一個咁嘅劇本過嚟。咁當其時咧，就係一個純粹比較瘋狂嘅警匪戲嚟。咁跟住我哋自己同阿小齊啊、成成一路研究呢個劇本嘅時候咧，就覺得其實唔係喎。如果你揾幾個即係面對現實啦，大家一個都頗有年紀嘅男演員去做呢個戲，就唔係淨係打劫噶咯喎。咁應該就係比較係男人嘅難處咯，喺生活上遇到嘅難處，所以先至有打劫呢個念頭。咁就變咗引申到今日見到嘅所謂男人之苦嘅戲咯。
Back in 2021, the director brought the screenplay to me, and I was studying the screenplay with Renqi Jian. And because originally the screenplay was about just a cop and a thief, but we were thinking, so because we are not young anymore, so how about a little twist about the life is hard for middle-aged men. So then it turned to today's movie.
仲有啲咩問題？
Did you get a lot of? Did the director give you a lot of freedom in your character? What was your inspiration?
呢個導演有冇俾你好多自由度啊，或者俾你其他咩靈感？
其實導演係俾咗我哋3個演員嘅自由度。亦都俾咗我哋3個演員嘅靈感嘅，因為佢就係其中3個人嘅合體嚟，即係又怕事啊，又想威啊，但係又驚講錯嘢啊，總之林林總總嘅加加埋埋，其實你將3個角色合埋一齊咧，其實就導演嚟㗎。
So the director did give the freedom to all the 3 main actors and also inspiration. And also the director himself is a combination of the 3 characters.
因為導演曾經講過咧，即係佢話佢前半生咧一個幾失敗嘅人生嚟，即係佢到而家都係一個自己一個人住啦，好多狂想曲啦，同埋正直點解有呢個劇本咧？當其時係冇嘢撈，冇嘢做，咁就發下夢先啦，就諗下不如去打劫啦咁樣，有個咁嘅念頭先至創作到呢個劇本。所以就話你將3個角色合埋一齊咧，其實就係導演嚟。
So the director didn't have success himself in his real life. Who at one point of his life, he was thinking, how about I just go and rob something? So it's similar to the movie.
出嚟好好睇啊！想多謝你帶呢啲片嚟嘅咁俾我。咁我想問下個問題咧，就係多唔多係跟稿去拍啦，定好多時係自由發揮啊？即係當場諗到啲咩對白就咁講。
前列腺有事啊？係臨場發揮嘅。因為我覺得其實好多時喜劇咧。 當然有啲係我哋好滑溜地去因應對白啊，咁但係其實你一睇鏡頭嘅時候，呢啲位我覺得個情緒到喎，而我又投咗角色咯喎，咁好多時咧就會有好多所謂臨場發揮嘅，即係例如郭富城問我：你覺得我係做咩㗎？睇下咁樣，咁我第一個就話有個樓喎，即係基本上佢係想表達其實我係打摔跤嘅，但我就話唔係喎，你好似有樓有 cancer 喎，你好似。 咁呢啲係臨場發揮嘅，因為好多時我成日覺得係當你投入角色嘅時候，喺現場嗰個喜劇節奏啊，不經意就會走咗出嚟嘅。咁當然導演好好啦，佢保留翻呢一 part。咁好多呢啲位其實我哋好多時係一半一半，即係有一半係跟住個劇本個底，咁有一半咧就係創作走出嚟。
So the question was about did you guys really shoot everything according to the screenplay, and did the director give you enough freedom? So Gordon said yes, he did give us enough freedom. For example, the scene about the priest day, and also I recall the main bad guy was asking what he's doing for life, and something like that, and about wrestling. Those a lot of improvisation as well in the scenes.
係論説話咧，你係一個可以為電影入魔嘅人，你將呢個打死我之前。然後咧，呢部電影你覺得邊一個先你覺得係最 challenge 令到你入魔㗎
？My question is about that. Ling Xue, another actor in this movie, said Gordon is somebody that went crazy for movies. He even volunteered to cast in movies that have no pay. So I'm asking him which scene in this movie that you find most challenging and most attractive.
其實我覺得每個演員啦，每部電影都可以入魔嘅，因為演員最好玩嘅地方就係忘記自己啊嘛。咁所以我自己好開心能夠有機會，因為過去咁多年咧，我一係就係揸槍啦，成日都做警察，一係就做壞人。我話咦，今次做一個比較窩囊啲嘅男人喎，其實電影都好少出現呢啲角色能夠做主角啊。咁我覺得係好開心，一個主位能夠一個窩囊角色嘅俾我演出咧，我其實我好開心啊，所以我堅持係幫阿琪都慳下錢啦，唔使化妝啦，我話個頭都唔使整啦，立頭箍得㗎啦咁樣。咁你覺得成件事係覺得係好投入第二個身份，咁我覺得係最讓我有滿足感嘅，即係其實所以就話究竟邊個角色可以讓你入魔咧？其實我覺得係當我接得呢個戲嘅時候咧。我必須要愛上呢個角色，必須要愛上呢件事，所以我會係你話有邊個角色啊、什麼場景啊，其實就算今日好多人問翻我，其實我參與過每一部電影啊、每一句對白、每一個角色我都噏得出，因為我享受，因為我享受入魔嗰下，係忘記自己嘛可以係嘛
？So I think every actor actually is obsessed with their character in all the movies. And because I used to play like cops and also sometimes thieves, but this time I got to play a loser. So that's very interesting and also satisfying for me when I got the screenplay. And I did give my 100% to this movie.
有冇諗到做導演啊？
其實我係好想做導演，其實好想做導演，不過可惜。咁啊，你知而家大家都係全個地球啊對港產嘅警匪片都好似飽咗。點知我啱啱寫個警匪片喎，諗住自己做導演喎，話出事啦，咁點咧？咁所以我而家暫時咧就會停一停先，因為我重新思考下，即係唔係話因應個 market， 係因應究竟點樣去處理新嘅視角去講警匪啦。咁同埋我自己有 enjoy 而家另外又 develop 緊一個叫做喜劇，講一個喜劇嘅。咁都係講翻電影呢個行業， 我想嘗試喺呢個戲劇方面發揮多啲編劇先嚇，跟住下一步就應該希望可以做導演咯。
So the question was about, do you want to be a movie director? Gordon said, yes, I do want to direct some movies, but right now, because after doing that many cops and thieves movie, I want to take a pause. Also, I want to explore something about the comedy as well.
恭喜呢套電影非常之，即係個人嚟講好成功啊！係非常係一個好複雜嘅結構啊！由開始咧，有啲戲咧，你睇落咧，由開始咧，你知道個結果係點㗎啦。
邊啲戲你講嚟聽下？
但係呢套戲咧就複雜裏邊咧，又分開有幾個唔同嘅分子啦，講每一個人嘅故事咁樣啦，即係變咗嚟講咧就好現實。呢個社會嚟講好現實，所以你睇呢個世界嚟講咧，依家好話唔好聽，有好多情況呢個世界情況咧，如果你唔係話講拍戲啊，根本咧你真係好似拍戲咁啊！呢個世界每一日你打開個新聞咧，好似拍電影咁。但係咧，你哋能夠即係好似你咁樣話得㗎啦，唔使化妝，啲好現實嘅人啊，咪起床唔使刷牙，唔使洗面，好出街我係咁㗎啦咁啊！所以呢種咧，個人睇起上嚟咧。個會接受啊！你唔使話扮得好靚，每一場打完仗出嚟咧，你個鏡頭咧，哇！個條髮好似冇喐過咁咯喎。咁咧，即係你哋呢套戲咧非常之現實。我相信咧，照我嚟講咧，我睇好多戲，荷里活戲應該打入荷里活嘅分子啊！
講到咁高，唔係，不過我自己覺得咧，其實有啲電影咧，當然有好多係可以好華麗地嘅包裝嘅。咁但係我哋有啲角色咧就係需要貼地啲嘅，我所謂貼地啲嘅，接近群眾啲嘅，所以我哋就係唔會話論式一定要化個好靚嘅妝啊，一個好豪嘅衫啊，唔需要嘅。即係啱角色嘅話，就點都可以叫做我哋要貼合翻角色，就可以叫做唔化妝啊，就係為咗個角色服務咯。咁我覺得演員最好玩嘅地方就可以為角色服務，即係好似除咗我相信除咗今次呢部臨時劫案啦，其實嚟緊有好多電影入邊睇翻咧，佢哋嘅角色咧都係好貼地嘅。咁呢個就係因為我哋係慣咗係訓練就係我哋要成為一個演員，演員係為角色服務嘅。咁所有嘅創作都係源於生活嘅，咁所以我哋希望盡量喺呢個方面去發掘。
I think that's more like a comment instead of question. He congrats on the movies and also enjoyed the movie a lot because the movie has a quite complex structure and the characters are very interesting and with a lot of twists. And Gordon replied by saying the actors should be always serving the characters in the movie. And it doesn't necessarily to always to be very fancy with a very like a big production, and sometimes the down-to-earth acting is more proper and it's better for the movies.
有冇機會拍翻電視劇啊？好耐冇睇你哋拍電視劇，跟住最近咁多。
蒙特利爾電視台係咪請我嚟拍？其實好多時都要睇翻嗰個條件配唔配合啊，包括時間上啊，或者創作上。即係過去其實我點解離開電視台咧？因為我就係唔係太滿足於繼續嗰個模式，因為冇得瞓，冇得瞓都唔緊要，即係短命就唔緊要啦，認命啦。但係咁樣冇得瞓死咗咧，我就覺得好唔大。同埋我喺個
冇轉到咩個？
唔係因為係你吸收唔到出邊嘅養分，即係當你想演戲嘅時候。當你都唔夠精神，你點吸收外邊嘅養分咧？點樣再豐富以後嘅角色咧？咁所以我先選擇係嗰個階段離開咗，即係嘗試去重新認識下個世界啊，認識下自己啊，呢個好重要咯。咁你話到而家啦，又認識咗一大段時間啦，有冇機會咧？呢個我都唔可以話保證會定唔會。其實一切睇各樣各樣嘅條件啊，能唔能夠配合到我都唔排除。係。
So the question was about, do you want to go back and act in TV series? And the answer is yes. So we need to have good opportunity the reason why I left TV series and started doing movies because I stopped absorbing like good stuff from outside, and also it's very hard. If I die, I cannot do anything anymore. So let's see.
因為好多人覺得點解話會死啦？即係大家好多人唔明，即係香港嘅電視可以係4日4夜唔俾你瞓，96小時冇得瞓。即係我哋經歷過好多次96小時冇得瞓，所以我哋話吸收唔到喎，真係要俾自己 take a break 先得。
Yeah, because just for you guys information, the shooting of the TV series in Hong Kong, it's very hard. Sometimes 4 days, 4 nights, no sleep. I cannot take it anymore.
Okay.
我想問咧，就應該今次呢套係咪你同阿成成同埋阿任賢齊第一套3個一齊做主角？應該係啊，嗬。係。你咁當中你覺得嗰個火花，你哋係點樣去配合？或者最難忘係呢一幕你哋嗰3個一齊拍？
我諗如果喺現實生活又好，喺部戲入邊又好咧，其實我覺得最浪漫就係推的士嗰場。即係當然係講笑啦，即係你話前列線嗰啲，即係你話3個男人坦蕩地喺個山邊小便，透露一個心事。即係除咗我同小齊比較熟悉，我同成成根本就抗拒呢個賊嚟，我點解同佢一齊啫？咁但係喺我人好得意嘅，你會願意面對一個陌生嘅人講你心底話，一個你熟悉嘅朋友，你嘅家人，你未必完全100%去坦蕩講，但係反而陌生人你會願意講。咁所以我覺得嗰場咧就係最男人嘅浪漫嚟嘅，即係你問我私底下又好，或者係喺個戲入邊又好，呢場戲係讓我最舒服嘅。即係有個人咁樣，雖然佢唔明白你啫，我都願意講我難處俾你聽嘅，係嘛？咁呢個係最讓我感動咯，成場戲，係嘛？當然佢死嘅時候我都感動嘅，即係唔係因為佢死，係因為我回翻一句 sorry， 我幫你唔到。我知道你話喺屋企，但係我幫你唔到，你中咗槍，但係我落唔到個槍，小齊做，小齊都唔敢做，但係我捉住佢條頸嘅時候，我其實自己嘅心係痛，因為有邊個男人唔想為家庭付出多啲？有能力都邊個會做瘌痢啊？就係因為冇能力咁未夠能力。咁變咗呢兩場嘅讓我係最感動我自己，唔係最有趣，係最感動。
So the question was about if this is the first time that the 3 main actors in one movie, and so in what way they got the most chemistry together, and the answer was he liked the scene where they push the taxi on the hill, and also they pee together, and they sort of open their heart to each other. Even sometimes it didn't make that much sense because they just know each other, and as well, that's a big scene. But somehow that made sense in the movie as well. And in addition, the final scene when Aaron Cost's character got shot, and he was also like that scene because he couldn't help it, because he know that character was just helping his family. So he went to rob. So those 2 scenes were the most touching scenes for him.
所以其實呢部戲咧係拍俾女人睇嘅，等佢諒解下你嘅另一半。
So this movie is actually for ladies, so they can understand better. So their men are doing a lot for the family.
所以我去年在 Montreal 的电影节 Frontier 上看到你的电影那个命案，然后我觉得这个主题非常有意思，因为在现在的香港电影就是大家好像很少去拍这种和传统的古怪啊或者什么相关的电影了。然后所以我想问，您觉得最 challenging 或者最 satisfied 的 scene 是哪一个？
我覺得成個命案啊，話講命案嗰個真係命案係一個少有嘅題材，因為其實係如果要拍出嚟，除咗你話讓華人觀眾比較認識之外咧，其實讓外地嘅朋友認識唔容易， 咁啊好彩啦，即係佢哋當然啦，導演非常之勁啦，可以拍出嚟啦。咁但係我覺得成個戲最難嘅最大嘅挑戰係讓華人以外嘅觀眾接受華人呢個觀點。究竟係我哋要相信天意啊，定係我哋唔可以逆天意咧？因為我相信可能喺我哋人嚟講未必有呢個概念嘅，但係華人就好強烈呢樣嘢嘅。你見咁多廟宇，你就知咩事係嘛？你有錢就拜神，你冇錢都係拜神嘅。你有錢驚跌咗喎，拜神保佑唔好跌。你冇錢嘅時候，我拜神希望保佑可以攞多啲嚇，其實都係咁樣嘅。咁所以我成日覺得就係呢件事最大嘅挑戰係導演能夠讓個主題讓華人以外去認識個主題。我成日話天意不可違啊，定係我哋要順天意行咧？呢個係最重要咯。
So the question was, I saw your movie, Mad Fate, last year at Fantasia Film Festival, and I liked it very much. I want to know what's the most satisfying or most challenging scene. So the Gordon's answer was, I think it's really important, even for non-Chinese audience, to understand should we obey the fate or we can play against the fate. So I think that's the one main subject of the movie, and that's very challenging and interesting for me.